Hello everyone. Today is November 4th, 2015. We have a lot of patterns, trend line breakouts, many patterns this week. Let's cover last week's pairs that we covered last week's video. The main ones were GBP USD and Euro USD. I posted this in last week's video, and all the targets went to its targets. So right here. Also for Euro USD, let me open up that chart. Euro USD, where are you? We're here. So we had a simple breakout. It broke out. In my opinion, it confirmed the breakout. So it had to go down, and as we speak, it's going to its first target. I'm pretty sure it just said my first target. So simple analysis, breakout, letting it confirm the breakout, and pretty much to its target. Now for GBP USD, I don't have any trades at the moment. We might have a potential pattern completing around 1.56. But other than that, I don't have any trade at the moment. For a Euro USD, we might have a pattern around the first target, so 1.8888, 1.0888. But have to see if it's kind of bullish at the moment. Well, like when I take the trade, at the moment it's pretty bearish. So that's that. I have to go on the lower time frame and see if it's turning around or going to its second target, which will be around this area, 1.07418. So that's that. And I also posted gold analysis. Look at this, so many patterns. I love these. So we had a white one right here. This is a butterfly pattern. So it started from right here, and pretty much dropped to all of its targets. My first target was around this area. Second and third, this was the last target. So it's still going down. Right now, it might have a support around this area. If not, if it breaks down, it might even go down like further. The next one I have is pretty below. So I don't know if it can go below, like around that area. So we have to see if something comes up. So yeah, that's that. This is gold. For CAD CHF, we have, well, this was a failed pattern actually. I took this trade yesterday around this area, I believe. And yeah, we had a pattern. We also had ABCD, I believe. I'm not sure about the ABCD, but we had a pattern and also the channel that was going up, but I knew it had to come down a little bit to middle-ish. But obviously did not. It broke out, and I don't know if it's confirming the breakout right now, but obviously I'm out from this trade. So this is an example of a failed pattern. But if you look at it, it was kind of sketchy pattern because the C leg was below the A leg. But I took it because we had a nice channel that was going up, down, so I knew it had to come around the 74.50 area, but the Canadian dollar was too strong yesterday, so that's that. For USD Canada, I believe I posted this trade yesterday actually. Let me see. USD Canada, right here. 23 hours ago. I posted this. This is Gartley, and it went straight to its target. So I posted right here, and boom, right here. I took my profits around this area, the fourth target. So I missed a lot of pips on this one as well. For AUD CHF, let's see. So we had a breakout on this blue line, but then we had a pattern completing just above the breakout of the trend line. So I took the pattern and it went down towards the trend line that was broken, and I exited my trade because I knew either could go back towards the um, uh, below the trend line, or it could go further high. So I took my targets here, and I'm pretty sure it has confirmed the breakout now. So I'm pretty bullish on this pair at the moment as well. My next target will be around 127, so 72.44. This is AUD For Euro AUD, we had a simple breakout. So we had a breakout right here, and then it confirmed the breakout. Like couldn't go back above the trend line. This was first signal. This was pretty much second signals right here. So it's still going down, and this will be my first target. So previous structure. If it goes below this area, this will be my second, and the third one will be pretty much right here around this area, 148.20 ish, or even 148.10. Yeah, so we have a previous structure right here. If you look left, so right here, and also this one. Yeah, pretty much this will be my first target. So we have to see if it breaks down further below. For GBP JPY, I posted this trade this morning. We have a bat pattern. The targets are pretty big for this. The first target is 186.42. The second target is 185.37. So I'm pretty sure we'll go to my second target, but we have to see. I also posted few other, I believe, trades for this pair. Let's see. No, I didn't post it on here, but I posted on Instagram, I believe. This was from my previous video, I believe. So yeah, this one, we are right here. So yeah, that's GBP JPY. Let's look at AUD Canada. This was pretty good trade as well. So we had a trend line going on, like was it in a trend line? We also had a pattern completing within the trend line, so I knew we had a pretty good chance. So I was right here, and then the news came on Monday night, I believe, or Tuesday night, and it went just to my third target, or second target, I believe. It did go to my third target, but I couldn't take the profit because I was just too quick to come back down. So I took my profits around 94.15 or 94.12ish, I believe. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna go to my third and fourth target now. So this was pretty good trade as well. For Euro JPY, I'm still bearish on this pair. So obviously we have a couple of scenarios. We had a breakout. So we had a breakout right here, and then around this area we had a butterfly. So I took the butterfly towards my first target, which was around 132.81. 132.81, yes. So I went to that target, and now it's coming back down. my initial target for this whole pair will be at least 130.50, 130.40 ish. So I'm still bearish on this pair, the EUR So we have to see how this is going on. Smaller time frames, yeah. So we are having breakout down. So it's pretty much right here, another breakout down, another breakout down. So I'm pretty bearish on this here right now. I don't have an actual trade to trade, but it can't at the moment because we have a pattern intact. So yeah, we have to see for this year. For GBP Canada, so we had a breakout, this blue line, and it broke out. Now we might see another low, but I'm not sure if it goes above. So we have to see how this plays out. We have a potential pattern on this trade, so right here. If it goes below my C leg around 2.0307, that will be my stop loss, pretty much, yeah. Because then the pattern is invalid. But yeah, I want to see this pair at least go around this area, my first target. So we have to see. For USD Canada, we already covered this, and that's pretty much it for this week. But if you have any questions, please leave a comment or email me. My email will be in the description. So yeah, that's it, guys. Take care.